I want to give you a view of what's happening right here at home because we are dry. We have been for most of this week. Hazy sunshine, 75 degrees, winds out of the east-southeast, 7 miles per hour, dew point 54 degrees. And right now, that dew point is going to be comfortable because as we go into the extended forecast, we're going to be going back up into the 60s, which means it'll be sticky. 73 in Marion right now, 72 in Muncie, 78 in Greensburg, 72 in Crawfordsville, and 74 in Bloomington. Notice in Noblesville, we have that hazy sky too. That's how the afternoon's going to go before a few more clouds start to build in. Tonight, we're going to be dry. Perfect news if you have outdoor activities planned this afternoon. 81 degrees is where we're going to top out. Winds out of the south-southeast about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We'll see 80 in Peru, 80 degrees in Tipton, and 81 in Anderson. We'll see 82 in Brownsburg, 83 in Greenwood, and 82 degrees in Columbus. Now, because we haven't had a lot of rain, that pollen is really high. Ragweed, grasses, chennapods are going to be the top three. Friday and Saturday going to be some of the highest pollen count days that we have. Goes down a little bit on Sunday, but then Monday it's going to pop right back up. If you do have plans for Operation Football tonight, or any other plans outside, this looks perfect right in the upper 70s by 6 o'clock. We'll be falling into the low 70s by 10 o'clock. Tomorrow, warming up to 86 degrees. It is really going to be a great Saturday, but the later we go into the day, the better chance we will have for an isolated shower or storm. It's going to be warm with that high of 86. Tomorrow night, if you have plans maybe to go to see Blues Travel or something on the prairie, well, temperatures are going to be comfortable, but we have a slight chance of a shower or storm. I want to take you through Future Track 13. Notice by 4 o'clock, there is that isolated chance. And then we have still some small chances as we go Sunday into Monday morning. And then as we take you through Sunday afternoon, I think that's going to be our better chance for a few showers and storms. We're going to keep our eyes on that as we go through the weekend. Saturday looks mainly dry right now. Heat and humidity return next week. By next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday could be close to 90. Anne Marie?